Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time. Now, this is Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles and not what comes in the mail. Today we got something that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is Acecook with a special Wakayama Chuka Soba. That's what we're doing today. I really like the lid on this one. Very mellow, not a whole heck of a lot going on. Nice color scheme, I dig it. So here is our cup. Not a whole heck of a lot going on there, but it did have a sachet on the lid, so that will come into play soon. And so let's add our violently hot boiling water up to the line. And give it 3 minutes. There you go. And yeah, this is the fourth one today for me. Sun's coming out. I don't know though, Mimi doesn't feel so hot today, so maybe we will not go walking. I hope we do though. It's weird going from walking up to 15 up to 20 miles a day. Now I'm lucky to get 5 because, you know, it's the end of June and they go back to school in September. So, but Miles will be having summer school, so I'll be taking him, or when he goes to school, I'll be taking my daughter out for walks. She does pretty good. So, yes, we'll see. But all this time at home, it's a lot. But yeah, again, I mentioned the other day, or today on the earlier show that you saw on another day. Yeah, we rehomed our dog Pepper, and interesting people, nice older couple. Sounds like the dude's main hobby is like having a dog. And I didn't really talk to him, but my wife did. She talked to this guy a lot before we ended up meeting him. And I guess he does walking too. It's like the first day they had him, or the day after they got him home, or Pepper home, they he took her out for a walk for like 10 miles. So it's just like, okay, I can get with that. That's cool. I don't know though, my freaking dog. But there's really, I mean, she needs more room here, all that stuff. So I think it's a good fit, but I'm just kind of bummed, you know. So I think all is well and swell, and yeah. So it's sunny out. We might go walk over to the thrift store. I don't know. I went to the thrift store yesterday. I found a really neat calculator for Miles. I've got one of those ramen drinks for ramen, whatever they are, for Mimi, for her to try. I'm sure she'll like it. They're just like foo-foo sweet beverages with a funny little lid deal. Keep hearing things. Maybe that's a sign of me going crazy. I don't know. But our noodle is done, and now we're going to add in our liquid base. Why don't you step over here? Look, that's my face. Step over here, and then you can see what we got going on. I wonder if this stuff's any good. I don't know. I'm like, some stuff's really good and some stuff isn't. It's a hit and miss. That's the crazy thing about Japanese varieties though. Maybe even by the time you see this video, it won't even be on the market anymore. So even if you like lived in the US and you really did want to try it and go through all the hassle of ordering it from Japan, it might be expired by the time you get, well, it probably wouldn't be expired, but it just would not be on the market. They make varieties that are only around for like 60 days and then they're just done. They don't make a ton of them, so they can rotate it out. Seasonal stuff, all sorts of things. So here is the noodle. Looks to be a round shape. Definitely not thrilled about the noodle. It's kind of spongy. There's our broth. I feel like I'm getting a miso-esque kind of thing. It's almost gravy-like, kind of beefish from the beefery, you know, beefery. The broth definitely saves the noodle, so that'll get a kind of mid-range score. Probably gonna give that a 3.5. It's not bad. It's not a showstopper. So here we go. Let's gussy it up. Didn't make any eggs. My wife usually is the queen of eggs, and she did not feel at all well last night. It sucks. She's been through the ringer. She can't catch a break. And like medically, and it just sucks. It really truly sucks. So hopefully, I'm busy. I will be out there and I'll be done in a minute, okay? Don't you worry. And I think something's going on, so I've got to get this going. Chashu and some mung bean sprout, a little bit of spring onion. Finally, the thing that I was really stoked to get the other day, which we had to go a ways out of town to get, some Narutomaki that doesn't want to hang out. Come on, you can go up here. A little bit of crushed red pepper. I realized something. I got some chili oil yesterday. I got home and I put everything away, and I just realized today I can't find it anywhere. And I have a feeling I threw it away. Some shichi. That would suck. I'm going to go investigate what's going on. I'll be back in a moment. Yeah, so that's not a bad one. It's interesting. Compelling. Where's my chili oil? Anyways, yeah, that's it for me for today. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoy me to your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out and makes me think, gee, what nice people watch my show. Have a good one. Bye-bye.